Bittu, are you ready? No?
Hello busy people, welcome back to my channel Kannada's Supermom, all the way from America.
Hi, namaste, what's up viewers? Ta-da! So today we are making banana strawberry milkshake. Oh sorry, not we. This little baby chef is going to make the milkshake. Ta-da! So we are ready to make the milkshake. Bittu, are you ready? No, you're ready. Oops. Watch the video completely. So let's make the milkshake now. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Kannada Supermom, all the way from America. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all next time. Bye bye.